Hey there, John. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with you on Friday, promising this short video giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Please take these tips and use them for yourself. If you could, the only thing that I do ask is just for a quick sentence or two of feedback on this video, either in the comments or as a response to the email that I sent you the video link in. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'd like to go over is content. Now, when I'm talking content, I mean everything here on your website, the words of course, but also the images and pictures, and even how those pictures are saved before they're loaded onto your site is readable by the search engines. So this picture here, you've got kitchen island oven. That could be saved as a better, more high volume keyword, like kitchen remodeling Minneapolis would be perfect for this image. And that would get you another keyword on your site. Google really likes to see 1,500 or more words on your front page of your website, which I know seems like it's a lot of words, but it's all in how the site's put together. It can be made so that it doesn't seem near as wordy as what you're probably thinking. Now, and there's a couple of reasons why that much content is really important. The first is that Google's algorithms actually really like content. Content is king in Google's eyes. And second is really that the more content you have, the more keywords and key phrases that you can get into your website and be ranked for, so that when someone's searching, they find your page. Now, and a keyword or key phrase are, just like this is, something that people are putting in a Google search to find your business or find services that your business provides. There's lots of different keywords. I've got a page here pulled up of a lot of the higher volume. Now, when I'm talking volume, I'm talking the number of times that that particular keyword or phrase is actually plugged into a Google search. So this kitchen remodeling Minneapolis is actually searched for about 250 times in a given month. So that'd be really my first tip for you today, is actually do your best to get more unique keyword-rich content on your site. This alone will really help you so much. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is your Google Business Profile. Now, and if I go over here into that search we were looking at just a minute ago for kitchen remodeling Minneapolis, the first thing that you'll typically see is ads up here at the top. In this particular search, I didn't end up getting any. But the next thing that you have here is what's called the map pack. And in this map pack, you've got the top 3 businesses for the area in these are their Google business profiles. Now, and it's really important to get you up into this top 3, because these top 3 actually take about a 40% or so of the search volume for that particular keyword I searched. These guys take 40% of that. So whether it be they're getting their phone number called or someone's clicking on their website, 40% of that search volume goes just to these 3 spots. So it's really important to get you up into that top spot, or top 3 at least. Now, how do you do that? Well, I've got your profile pulled up here, and there's a few things that I can kind of give you tip-wise to help get you up at least a little bit higher than what you're at now in the Google Business Profile area in the map pack. First thing is really start pushing for reviews. The more reviews you have, the more 5-star reviews you have, that's going to help you a lot. Second is more photos, and just like with your website, make sure you're saving those photos as keywords that you want to be found for. And third is going to be kind of your description here. You really want to make sure that you have, just like with your website again, unique and keyword-rich content here for your business description. Now, and there is one other thing that really does help with your business ranking higher in the map pack. In fact, it's one of the biggest factors, and that's citations. Now, and what are citations? Citations are listings of your business in different directories across the web. Directories are places like Angie, Yelp, Home Advisor. All of those are directories. Now, and how do you get into more directories? Well, the easiest way is actually to go and find out where these top 3 in the map pack are actually listed, and go and get in those exact same directories as they are. Now when I say top 3, I want you to actually go and find out what this one is, get into all of those, see if these guys have any different ones, get into those different ones, same down here, and so on. The more directories you're in, the more citations you have, the higher you're going to end up ranking in this map pack, as long as you have everything else filled out completely in that Google Business Profile. Alright, the last thing I'd like to talk to you about has to do with this section down here, which is the Google Organic section, or the organic section of that search. Now, of course, your content and keywords have a lot to do with this, but even more so is the power of your site. Now, and if we kind of take a peek at the power that your site currently has, you are sitting at 0 and 0 for power, but you do have a few referring domains and backlinks, so you've got to start. But the more referring domains and backlinks that you have, the more power your site has, and that will relate directly to how you are ranking for those keywords that you do have on your site, which currently Google's not finding any. If we take a peek over here at your competition in the area, these guys are ranking up at the top for that, at least that particular keyword that I plugged in, and they've got 46 referring domains, giving them 907 backlinks. And they're getting 400 clicks to their site per month from those referring domains, backlinks, and 219 keywords on their site. Now, and what is a backlink, you might kind of be asking? A backlink is just a link from one website back to your website. That's all it is. A lot of those citations that I told you about earlier will give you a backlink when you fill out and get listed on their directory page. However, those aren't the strongest backlinks out there. You really want to go for nice strong backlinks too. Those are going to be links to, maybe it's even another remodeling business that's in another state, saying, hey, if you're in the Minneapolis area, Inspired Spaces is great, go ahead and use them. That'd be a great backlink. Alright, so that is all I have for you right now. I wanted to keep this video as short as I could. So if you'd like to know more on how I can help you grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Please enjoy these tips I've given you and do your best to utilize all of that information. Now, and if you don't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video, it would really be greatly appreciated. I do hope you found it helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.